Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In part 2 of these Maxspeedingrod coilovers review, I'm going to be taking these coilovers and putting them to the test. I'm going to take them in the harshest road conditions possible, on gravel, on dirt roads, on roads with potholes everywhere, on really uneven roads. And I want to see how well these coilovers handle. Do they still feel comfortable? Can they take the beating? I'm going to beat the crap out of these coilovers and show you how well they handle or how bad they handle. And guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so final thoughts on these coilovers. To me, the Maxspeedingrods feel terrible in the softest setting. After I turned up the knob all the way to the stiffest setting, the ride felt way better front and rear. It was smooth and comfortable all the way in every occasion. And for the price, it wasn't too disappointing. You get what you pay for, so don't expect to be taking corners much faster than you already did on your stock suspension. The ride will be similar to stock, but just a little bit stiffer than stock. I would also not recommend these for anyone running wider wheels, as they'll probably end up rubbing. So okay, so who are these coilovers for then? If you're in a budget, but want to lower your car without breaking the bank, and don't mind the stock ride feel, go for it. You won't be disappointed, the ride will look good, it'll ride just as good, but one thing though, don't expect to go drifting or autocrossing. And guys, thanks for watching, give this video a like, subscribe, and like always, take care.